Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So in today's class, we'll discuss the state and national level previous year Olympiad questions from the topics addition and subtraction. Okay. Previous year Olympiad questions. That means they have been asked already in the previous Olympiad exams that have been conducted. Now coming to the first question for today, find the missing digit. 455 plus dash is equal to 766. If you remember about this children, yes, what should we do? Addend is given and the sum is given. We need to find out the other addend. That means we need to subtract the addend from the sum. Yes. So 766 minus 445. 6 minus 5 1. See children, what did we get? 6 minus 5 1. Now if you look at the given options, which option has 1 in the units place? Option A. So option A will become our right answer. Even without solving it completely, we can say that option A is the correct answer. Now let us see. 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 4 3. Yes, so 321. Option A is the correct answer. Coming to question number 2. Find the missing digit. 349 plus 4-6 is equal to 805. Yes children, again you know how to do this, right? Yes, let us solve. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 1 carried, 5 here. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then we are having 0 here. 5 plus something is equal to 0. Yes, now the sum should be always greater than the addend. Here, but the sum is less than the addend. So what can it be? It can be 10 but not 0. Now again addend is given, sum is given, we need to subtract. 10 minus 5 is equal to what children? 5. So what is our answer here? Option C, 5. 349 plus 456 is equal to 805. Clear? Moving on to question number 3. Find the missing number. 456, 487. Okay, these two are in one pattern. And in the same way, we need to find out the number that should come after 360. First, to find out the relation between these two, let us subtract 458 minus 487 minus 456. 7 minus 6 1, 8 minus 5 3, 4 minus 4 0. Yes children, what does this mean? To 456, if we add 31, we will get 487. Yes, in the same way we should add 31 to 360. 360 plus 31. 0 plus 1 1. 6 plus 3 9 and then 3. What is our final answer children? 391. That is option C. Clear? First we need to find out the relation between the given numbers and then apply the same to the other set of number. Option C, 391 is our correct answer. Coming to question number 4. Again similar question, see children. 7,000, 8,000, 4,000 dash. From mental addition what can we say? 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So yes, thousands are the same. So we are adding 1,000 to 8,000. 7,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 8,000. In the same way, what should come here? 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 5,000 should be our answer. That is option number C. Yes or no children? Or else you can do it like this. 8,000 minus 7,000 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1. So 7,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 8,000. In the same way, we need to add 1,000 to 4,000. 0, 0, 0, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5,000 is our answer here. Coming to question number 5. Find the missing number. 450, 460, 4 dash, 480, 490 again dash. Yes, we are having two missing numbers here from the series. This is called as a series of numbers. Now if you carefully observe, what is the change here? Only the digit in tens place is increasing by 1. We have 5 and then 6. What should come after 6? 7. Yes, after 7, 8, 9. Now before and after the tens digit, what do we have? 4 and 0. So what does this become? 470. If you look at the options carefully, children, only B and D have 470 as the first number. Yes, in B we are having 495 and in D we are having 500. Now what should be the answer here? 495 or 500? 500. See, all the numbers are having zeros in the ones place. So here it is 5. So it is not possible that 495 is the answer. It is 500. The pattern followed here is plus 10. 460 plus 10 is equal to 470, and here 490 plus 10 is equals to 0, 10, 1 carried and 500. So option D, 470 comma 500 is our correct answer. Coming to question number 6, again find the missing number 344, 351, 358. Need to find out the relation 358 minus 351, 8 minus 1, 7, 0, 0. What is the relation, children? 7. 7 is to be added. 7 is to be added to 351 to get 358. So in order to get the next number also, we should add 7. 358 plus 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 5 here, 1 carried. 5 plus 1, 6, 3. Yes, 365 is our fourth number. And again, to find out the fifth number, we should add 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 carried. 6 plus 1, 7 and then 3. What is the final answer? 365 comma 372. That is option number B. Clear, children? This is how we solve the find the missing number problems. Coming to question number 7. Which number makes the equation true? Dash plus 1323 is equals to 1223 plus 1223. Yes, children, how do we solve this? First, let us find out this sum. 1223 plus 1223. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. What is the sum? 2446. Now again we are having the sum and one addend. To find out the other addend, what should we do? We should subtract. We should subtract the addend from the sum. So let us subtract 1323 from 2446. 6 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 3, 1 and 2 minus 1, 1. What is the final answer, children? 1123. That is our option B. I hope this is clear. Just the same technique is applied, and yes, just based on this same technique so many questions are asked. Yes. Coming to question number 8. Match the following. 560. See, in list 1 there are few additions given, and even in the list 2 there are few additions given. Now you need to match the following. That means the sums should be same. See, if I match 1 and 3 together, the sum of this and the sum of this should be the same, children. Okay. Now let us solve A first. 567 plus 78. See, one trick for solving this is, okay, what are the digits in units place? 7 and 8. So 7 plus 8 becomes 15. 1 will be carried to the next digit. Now we are having 5 in the units place. Yes or no? So from the given numbers in the list 2, yes, from the given numbers in the list 2, which will also have, which number will also have 5 in the units place, we need to find out. See here, 0 plus 4 is 4. Here 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we'll have 2 here. 5 plus 0 is 5. Yes, children, only option 4 will have 5 in the units place. So what can we say? We can simply say that the correct answer for option A is option number 4. Even without solving it. Or else you can solve and cross check also. 345 plus 300 is equals to 645. Now let us solve this. 567 plus 78. 7 plus 8 15. 5 here 1 carried. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 7 14. 4 here 1 carried. 5 plus 1 6. Yes, 645. Both the sums are same. Yes or no, children? Yes. So why am I telling you these tricks are, in Olympiad exams you need to solve as many questions as possible quickly. Yes, children, you need to answer as many questions as possible quickly, because you will be given limited time and many questions will be there. So that is why you need to act smartly and find out the answers. Now if you look at the given options, B and D have option 4 for A. Yes, so that means the other two options are wrong automatically. The other two options are wrong. A and C are wrong. So when we look at option B, in that for B, now again see here 4 plus 0. B is having 4 plus 0, that is equal to 4 in the units place. Now from the list 2, which is having 4 in the units place? 1. Yes, option number 1. So B is equal to 1 in list 2. Now from the given options, option B has B1. Yes, children? So this is our correct answer. A is given as 4, that is correct. B is given as 1, that is also correct. Now from all the given options, only option B has these two correctly matched. So even without solving C and D, we can say that option B is our correct answer. Or else if you want, you can solve and check. See here 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Yes. Now here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So C is equal to D, and here 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. Here 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, that is equal to 2. Yes, children. So A is 4, B is 1, C is 2, and option D is 3. Clear, children? Matching the following. Moving on to the question number 9. Find the missing digit. Again here, children, 5 and then one digit is missing. Minus 21 is equal to 35. Now how to do this, children? See, dash minus 1 is equal to 5. We need to find out what? We need to find out the minuend here. As we have learned, minuend is equal to what? Minuend is equal to the difference plus the subtrahend. So we need to add these two. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So here the number is 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Clear, children? What are we finding? We are finding out the minuend. Minuend is equal to difference plus subtrahend, that is 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. So option D, 6 is our correct answer. Coming to question number 10. The Venn diagram below shows the number of students who voted for their favorite sport. How many students voted in all? Now here this is called as Venn diagram, children. You are seeing 3 circles here, right? So this is called as the Venn diagram. In this you can see many different names. So these you have to count the number of students that have voted. It is a very easy question. Just count the number of names given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many students, children? 9. So option B, 9 students becomes our correct answer. Moving on to question number 11. Again, the diagram below shows how class 3 students voted for their favorite pet. How many total number of students want dog or fish as their pet? Favorite pet of class 3 students. See, children, in this favorite pets of class 3 students, 10 children said that they want dog as their pets, and 10 students said that they want fish as their pets. So we need to find out how many want either dog or fish. So dog is also okay, or fish. So dog or fish means what? We need to add these two. 10 plus 10 is 20. If I say 10, 10 means these children want only dog as their pet. Again here 10 means only they want fish as their pet. Now dog or fish. Yes, people, these 20 people, of these 20 people, few want dog and few want fish. So this 20 becomes our answer, that is option C. Which number completes the pattern? 4 plus 5 is equal to dash, 40 plus 50 is equal to dash, 400 plus 500 is equal to dash, 4000 plus 5000 is equal to dash. We already know this, right children? Mental addition. 4 plus 5 9. Again here 4 plus 5 9. We are having 1 0. So add 1 0 in the answer. So here 4 plus 5 9. We are having 2 zeros. So add 2 zeros in the answer. Again 4 plus 5 9, and then we are having 3 zeros, so add 3 zeros in the answer. What are the numbers we got? 9, 90, 900 and 9000. 990, 900 and 9000. That is option A. I hope this is clear, children. Coming to question number 13. Look at the table below. What is rule for the input? See, input means what? We are putting this number in and we'll get this number as our answer. Yes, we are putting 523 in, 623 in, and we are getting 635 as our answer. Now the output is greater than the input. So let us subtract 635 minus 623. This is 5. It's looking like something else. 635 minus 623. Now when we subtract, 5 minus 3 2, 3 minus 2 1, and 6 minus 6 0. Yes children? Yes. So what is the answer here? 12. Now what are we doing with 12? To the input, are we adding 12 or are we subtracting 12? See, from the output we have subtracted and we've got 12 as our answer. See. Now the output is greater than the input, right? That means we are adding something to the input. What are we adding? What number did we get? 12. So adding 12 is our answer. If you want, you can check it. You can add 12 to each of the numbers and then see whether you are getting the output as the answer or not. Okay children? Coming to question number 14. State whether the following statements are true or false. Now the only way to solve this is what? We need to actually add whatever is given in the question and then find out whether it is true or not. What is the first statement, children? 5746 plus 2222 is same as 3984 plus 3984. So first we need to add these two. 5746 plus 2222. 2 plus 6 8, 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 2 9, 5 plus 2 7. And then we need to add these two. 3984 plus 3984. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16. 6 here 1 carried. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 9 19, 9 here 1 carried. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7. What did we get, children? 7968. The same answers, yes. So we can say that this is true. The sum is same. Done with statement 1. Statement 1 is true. Now coming to statement 2. If we add 777 to 7777, we will get 8554. 7 plus 7 14. 1 here. 4 written down. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 7 15. 5 here 1 carried. Now again 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 7 15, 5 here 1 carried, 1 plus 8, 1 plus 7 is 8. What did we get, children? 8554. That is what they have given here. So statement 2 is also true. Now if you look at the options carefully, only option A has both the first and second statements as true. See, this means 1, 2, 3, 4. First statement is true, second statement is true, third and fourth are false. This means that here first two statements are false, it seems. No, right? This is true. So both the statements are true. So this is wrong. Now in option C, first statement is true and second is false. But we got second as true. So again this is a wrong option. In option D, if first is false but we got first as correct. So again this is wrong. So what is the correct option here? Option A. So even without solving statement 4, statement 3 and 4, we can say that option A is our correct answer. Okay children, if you want you can add and check whether it is correct or not. See, if we add 89 to 6789, 9 plus 9 18. Let me add this quickly, okay? What will we get as our answer? 6878. But what is it given here? 879. It is wrong, right? So again the statement 3 is false. Yes, even statement 4 will be false only. So option A will be our correct answer. Okay children? Coming to question number 15. State whether the following statements are true or false. Again, true or false. Just now we have discussed, right, how to solve it. Yes. So let us go with the easy ones first. Question number 1. 6896 plus 3583. Let me add this quickly. 6 plus 3 is 9. See, here only we got the wrong answer. What is it having in the ones place? 9, but 8. But here what did we get? 9. So we can obviously say that statement 1 is false, children. Okay? In these Olympiad questions you need to be smart. Okay? You need not solve all the question. You just need to solve whatever is required to get the correct answer. Question number 2. If we add 333 to 5444, 7775. What did we get? 5771. The same as given in the statement. So it is true. Yes. So first statement is false and second statement is true. So from the given options, only option B has the same format. So option B will be our correct answer. Coming to question number 16. Surabhi has 14 meters of ribbon. Sana has 15 meters of ribbon. If they tie their ribbon together, what will be the length of new ribbon? Very simple question, children. So they are tying their ribbons together, it seems. So what will be the length of new ribbon? Adding 4 plus 5 9 and 1 plus 1 2. 29 meters will be the length of new ribbon. Yes. Coming to question number 17. Ajay is 18 years old. His brother Sumit is 5 years elder to him. So how old is Sumit? Yes, Ajay is only 18, but his brother is 5 years older. Elder means more. 5 years more in age. So how old is Sumit? We need to add 8 plus 5, 13. 1 here. 1 carried, 3 written down. 1 plus 1, 2. What is the answer, children? 23 years. So Sumit is 23 years old. Coming to question number 18. The table shows the number of stickers collected by 4 friends. How many stickers do Asha and Ricky have in all? Who? Asha and Ricky have in all. All means was total. Total of these two. 2, 3, 5 plus 1, 6, 7. 6 plus 7, 12. 1 carried. Now if you look at the options, only option A has 2 in the ones place. So A will be our correct answer even without checking. Or else let us cross check. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. What is the answer, children? 402. That is option number A. Yes? Yes. Coming to question number 19. Ashima participated in a charity fair for a week. She had a stall of toys in the fair. Ashima sold 100 in the... Okay. Ashima sold 123 toy cars, 89 dolls and 100 balls. How many toys did Ashima sell in all? Yes, in all means the total of everything here. 123 plus 89 plus 100. So here. Yes, yes. So 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 2 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 2, sorry, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 here, 1 carried and 1, 1, 1 becomes 3. What is the answer? 312. That is option number D. Clear, right, children? The total toys she sold will be equal to the total of all the toys. That is cars plus dolls plus balls. Coming to question number 20. Suvir works as a mechanic. He repaired 150 cars and 16 motorcycles in 2 months. How many vehicles did Suvir repair in all? Again the same similar type of question wherein we have to add. Yes, 150 plus 16. 0 plus 6 6, 1 plus 5 6, and then 1. What is the total? 166. That is option number D. Clear, children? Moving on to question number 21. Rakhi is 45 years old. Shiny is 35 years old. If Amy's age is equal to the sum of Rakhi's and Shiny's age, how old is Amy? What is it? What should we find out? The sum of Rakhi and Shiny's age. 45 plus 35. 45 plus 35. In the ones place, 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Yes, children, 80 years old. Option number C. Amy is 80 years old. Coming to question number 21. Look at the number grid. Prachi started from number 23. From what? From number 23. Now she takes 15 steps forward. How, on which number will she reach? See, there are two ways to solve this question. First is you need to add 15. What should you do? You should add 15 to 23. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3. That is 38. Option A. Or else from 23 you can count 15 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is it? 38. So either ways 38 will be our correct answer. Coming to question number 23. Again, the same grid given in this question is to be considered. Ajay starts from number 45. How many steps will he have to take to reach number 50? See, he is starting from what? From 45. So, how many steps does he need to reach 50? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, children, 5 steps. So, 5 will be our answer. That is option A. Or simply, what can you do? You can subtract 45 from 50. 50 minus 45 is 5. Again, either ways, 5 option A, 5 will be our correct answer. Coming to question number 24. The cost of mobile set and the memory card is given, and also a wire headset. Now what should we do? We should find the total cost of all the 3 items. Yes, children, how to do that? We need to add all these together. Yes, 4458 plus 3. Sorry, let me write it neatly here. 4458 350 plus 75.75 95.70. Yes, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 7 14, 4 here 1 carried, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 5 14. See, here we are having a point, right, children? So we need to write it in the sum as well after 2 digits. Now 4 here 1 carried. Now from the given options, only option A has 4.45 in the last 3 digits. So option A becomes our correct answer. Or else you can add and also check 10 and 20. So 0 here 2 carried, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, and 4 here 4904.45 rupees is our correct answer. Coming to question number 25. If x if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, find the value of 2x plus 3y. See, 2x means what? 2 into x plus 3y means 3 into y. Yes, children. Now we know the value of x and y. So instead of x I will write 1 and instead of y I will write 2. Now 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to how much? 8. That is our option number B. Clear, children? Option B, 8 is our correct answer. Moving on to question number 25. Add all these given numbers and then choose the correct answer. 343.35, 175.50, 8.55. Remember that all the points should be placed in the same place. Yes? Yes. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here 1 carried. 14, 1 carried. So I am doing the addition fastly, children. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 here 1 carried. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 carried, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. What is the correct answer? 527.40. That is option number A. Question number 27. So this is the cost of the food items. Cody placed order for, let us take, for 1 rice plate, for 1 plate of green vegetables and 1 cup of curd. How much money did Cody pay? Yes, he ordered all these 3 items. So we need to find out the total amount. We need to add these up. 5 plus 5 10, 0 here, 1 carried. Yes children, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 3 14, 4 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. How many rupees did he pay? 440 rupees. That is option number A. I hope this is clear children. Coming to question number 28. The sum of 4 digits largest and 2 digits smallest number. See, what are they asking basically is the sum of largest 4 digit number. What is the largest 4 digit number? That is 9999. Yes, 4 digits. So 4 nines. And the smallest 2 digit number. So 2 digits should be there in the number smallest, right? So the first number will be 1 and the other places will be filled with zeros. So 1 0 becomes the smallest 2 digit number. What should we do? We should add them. Find the sum. 9 plus 0 9. 9 plus 1 10. 0 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 9 10. 1 carried. 1 plus 9 10. What is our answer? 10,009. See here there are a number of zeros, so don't get confused and choose the correct answer, that is option B, 10,009. Coming to question number 29. Again find the missing number. 350, 100 and dash is 200. See, 350 and 200, what is the relation? When we subtract these two, the answer is 250. So when we add 250 to 100, see children, what is the answer from subtraction? 250. Yes, when we add 250 to 100, we'll get 350. In the same way, when we add 250 to 200, we should get this number. So the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. So the number here on the left should be a greater number than the number on the right side. That means we need to add to it. Add how much? 250. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 2 plus 2 is 4. Yes children, what is the correct answer? Option D, 450. I hope this is clear. Coming to question number 30. Look at the diagram below. How many people like apples as well as oranges? They like both, it seems, apples and oranges. See, these are the apples and these are the oranges. If you look at this number here, 9, the number 9 is both in apples and as well as oranges. See, this is the apple circle and this is the oranges circle. Yes children, now this 9 is in both apples and oranges. So this 9 will be our correct answer, both apples and oranges. If it was apples or oranges, people who like apples or oranges, we would have added 45 plus 17. Okay, this is the main difference. When they say and, you should take the number which is common in both the circles. If they say or, add the numbers in both the circles, 45 and 17. So here what is the correct answer? Option B, 9. Coming to question number 31. The rule, fill in the table. The rule is to subtract 9 from each item. What should we do? We should subtract 9 from each item. 56 plus 9 is how much? Is 47 and 9 minus 9 is 0. 47, 0. That is option number C. Simple, right? They have given us how to solve